Hello students. Today we are going to learn part 7 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. Okay. In this part, we are going to learn how to find the volume of a cylinder. Okay. So first, let us learn how to derive the formula for finding volume of a cylinder. Okay. So now let us consider that here we have a cylinder, that is a right circular cylinder. I told that volume means what? The space occupied by anything is known as its volume. Okay. Now, if you want to find a volume, a simple procedure that consider that figure, and now suppose that if you want to fill some water in this one. Okay. So now when you are filling some water, which part it will cover first? So it will cover this base part. Okay. Now what is this base part? So it is nothing but a circle. What is it? A circle. Okay. After that, if you go on filling more water, then now it will cover slowly. When it will rise upwards, we can say that now it is covering certain height. Okay. So now, if you want to find the volume of this cylinder, okay, so what we will write, volume of cylinder equals to first area of base multiplied by height of the cylinder. Okay. So now, what is our area of base? Base figure is a circular figure. Okay, so here we will write area of circle into height. Now what is area of circle? So it is pi r square into height. Okay, so what is our formula? That is pi r square h. Finally we write volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. Okay, now it means that if you want to find the volume of this cylinder, okay, if you want to find volume, what things we should know? We should know first one, the value of R and H. Okay, in all there are three unknown values, volume, R and H. It means that if you have any two values, you can find the third one. Okay, now let us solve some examples based on this volume of a cylinder. Okay, so here we have our first example. So it is given that the pillars of a temple are cylindrically shaped. Here you can see a temple is there, and here some pillars are there. The shape of these pillars are cylindrical. If each pillar has a circular base of radius 20 centimeter, so the circular base is 20 centimeter and height as 10 meter, this height is 10 meter, then how much concrete mixture would be required to build 14 such pillars? Okay, now for that we have to find the volume of one pillar. Okay, now for this one pillar we are given with the dimension, radius and height, and this much are enough to know its volume. Okay, so given, now for each cylindrical pillar, radius equals to 20 centimeter, height equals to 10 meter. Now remember that one dimension is given in centimeter, another one is given in meter. See, both should have same unit. Okay, so we will convert this meter into centimeter. So what do we get? We know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, so 10 meter equals to 10 into 100 centimeter, that equals to 1000 centimeter. Okay, now both the units are in centimeter, so we can apply the formula. So now we can write volume of one pillar equals to pi r square h. Okay, why pi r square h? Because it is a cylindrical pillar. Now this value of pi depends on you as per the requirement. You can write 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Okay, right now I'm using 22 upon 7 because further it will be used for cancellation. Now what you get? 22 into 20 into 20 into 1000. So our next value will be, okay, so it will be 88 lakh upon 7 centimeter cube. Okay, or you can say 88 and then 5 zeros upon 7 centimeter cube. Okay, now this is what? This is volume of one pillar. Just like this, how many pillars are there? So it is given that there are 14 pillars. So now we have to find the volume of 14 pillars. Okay, so now volume of a 14 pillar will be equals to 14 multiplied by volume of one pillar. What is volume of one pillar? So we have this value over here. This is what volume of one pillar. Okay, then now you will get 14 into this number centimeter cube. Now here we can cancel this 7 with this 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. Okay, so what will be the answer? 176,000,000 centimeter cube. Okay, now remember that if you want to convert this one into meter cube, you can do that one also. Okay, so our final answer is that, so this much centimeter cube of concrete mixture is required. Okay, now let me explain you. Let us see how to make that conversion. I am writing it here. Okay, now we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, if you write this one as, if you write this one as a meter cube, so you have to take cube of this side also. Therefore, you will get to 1 meter cube equals to 100 centimeter cube, that is taking cube of both the sides. Now cube of this one will be 1 and then meter cube, so you will get 1 meter cube equals to, now remember that here 100 cube means two zeros are there, so it will become 6 zeros. Okay, so you will get 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, centimeter cube. It means that if you have answer in meter cube, you can write 1 and in front of that 60 centimeter cube. Okay. Now, if you want to write this one as only centimeter cube, or 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 upon this number, will divide over here. So what you will get? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now meter cube, it means that now if you want to convert centimeter cube into meter cube, we have to divide it by this number. Okay, so if you want, for our convenience, if you want to write this one as meter cube, okay, so I am just writing this answer in meter cube also. I am erasing this one. So that equals to 176,123,4,5 divided by, now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Now our answer will be meter cube. So that equals to, now see here how many zeros are there? There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. It means that the decimal is present over here. It should come 6 digits to the left. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So our answer will be 1.76 meter cube. Okay, both these answers are correct. Okay, instead of using such a big number, you can write this meter cube using this conversion. Okay, hope you must have understood up till here. Okay, now let us consider our next example. Now here it is given as, at a Ramzan Mela, a stall keeper in one of the food stalls has a large cylindrical vessel of base radius 15 centimeter filled up to a height of 32 centimeter with orange juice. It means that now this is our large cylindrical vessel. Its base radius is 15 centimeter and till here, okay, its height is 32 centimeter. Okay, it is filled with orange juice. Now further it is given that the juice is filled in small cylindrical glasses. So you can see that some of the small cylindrical glasses are kept over here, which are of radius 3 centimeter. So each of them are having radius 3 centimeter and height as 8 centimeter, and each of them is sold for rupees 3. So how much money does the stall keeper receive by selling the juice completely? So if the stall keeper is selling this full juice, how much he will earn, that we have to find. Now for finding that one, the first thing is that we should find the volume of this vessel, how much volume juice is present. Okay, volume of vessel means volume of juice we will consider. Okay, So for bigger cylindrical vessel, let us write the dimensions. So what are the dimensions? A radius, let us indicate by capital R equals to 15 centimeter. Height, capital H equals to 32 centimeter. Now let us find volume of the cylindrical vessel. Okay, so volume of big vessel will be equals to, will indicate it by V1 equals to pi capital R square capital H. Now this value of pi, if you want to put, you can put, or else you can keep it as it is. Why? Because further it will be cancelled. Okay, so what do we get? I'm writing here 3.14 into radius is 15 r square, means 15 into 32 centimeter cube. Okay, now this is what volume for, or volume of juice we can say. Now for each glass, okay, for small cylindrical glass, the dimensions are radius 3 centimeter, height 8 centimeter. Okay, so volume of glass will be, one glass will be V2 given by pi small r square h. Okay, now its value will be, again, value of pi 3.14 into R is 3 centimeter, so 3 into 3. H is 8 centimeter, so into 8. Okay. Now we are having volume of both the bigger vessel and the glass. Okay. Now we have to find first that how many glasses are sold, or this volume equals to how many glasses. For that we have to find number of glasses filled, or number of glasses equals to bigger volume upon smaller volume, that is the volume of vessel divided by volume of each glass. Okay, now what is the volume of a vessel? So it is already we have calculated over here, this one, let me highlight it. Okay, and volume of glass also we have, so let us put that both the values over here. Okay, now check whether we can make some cancellations or not. So yes, we can make. This 3.14 will get cancelled, then this 3 ones are 3 fives are, again 3 ones are 3 fives are, and 8 ones are 8 fours are. So 5 fives are 25, 25 fours are 100. So how many glasses can be filled from that bigger container? So 100 glasses can be filled. Okay. Now these are number of glasses the shopkeeper or the stall keeper is selling. Now we have to find that how much he is earning. If one glass is sold at 3 rupees. Okay. So money earned by the shopkeeper equals to cost of one glass into number of glass. Now what is cost of one glass? So it is 3 rupees, and number of glass, that is 100. So our answer will be 100 into 3 equals to 300 rupees. Okay, so hope you all must have understood up till here. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.